Alright, now I'm here. Okay, so am I late? I'm only 14 minutes late. The bingo card will have to wait. But okay, let's get my crap all sorted. Wait, I just realized. Hang on, I'm going to edit my Twitch layout some more. There we go. But okay, welcome back to the At the Ends of Eras development stream. I'm going to do more stuff today. So yesterday, we left off. I had made the beginnings of one of the quests. Well, I made the beginnings of several quests. But one in particular, I spent like 2 hours on. When it's weird, so the genre that this album is listed as are dungeon synth, nature synth, and dungeon ambient. So I was curious as to what that meant. Because I guess it sort of means, I feel like, from what I've seen of this before, it's kind of like explicitly sounding like a video game soundtrack. Like a fantasy video game soundtrack. So a mix of this kind of like pseudo-medieval sound with, you know, very specifically like ambient music. Something that we could really go for is, well, I was gonna say more drop shadows for all the characters, but I just realized the entire, like, this is 2 lights that are basically shining downward, and the models in the game can only support like 8 lights shining on them at the same time, and that includes the terrain chunks. So if I have more than like 4 guys standing on the same thing, I would have to then split it into separate meshes, or do what I've been saying I should do, which is to implement a deferred renderer and just add 6 months to the project. But okay. That's enough of that. We have now our star tablet. Oh, we were supposed to get rid of this. But okay. Let's go to 061. And let's also go to Sublime. How do I have this up? Oh, okay. Because somebody said, sunk cost fallacy, but they're like, we should, you know, they should rename the game, Concord. And I think they were saying, like, Sun Coast Fantasy. But it's like, well, that'd be much more obviously Sun Coast. I don't know what I'd do with that. This is also my, like, random game ideas that I don't have anything, like, where I'm probably not going to do them, which is sad. But, you know, making ideas faster than you can, or having ideas faster than you can make them, that's just how that happens. But okay, let's do a note. Oh, I just realized. These can't all be on the same line. I found all 3 pieces of the tablet to unlock the ruins in County. And so eventually we can also abolish the notes for the other things, but we're gonna do... Oh, hang on. I need this. Okay. I like... Okay, that explains why that... Well, I guess I don't know what that explains. I don't know how to write this code. But okay. Alrighty. So we can do... Now what do we have? I guess... Maybe I should... You know what? Let's start the game again. And we'll do this quest again. And we'll see if, We'll see if the dialogue makes sense if you meet Riley here first. Man, Riley has a really gaudy outfit this time. Okay, you notice the distressed-looking woman? Is everything alright? She's talking to herself in Yakazi. Something the matter? Who are you? I'm not exactly distressed, but I could use some help. So for the player, I've been looking for capacitors. I found an entrance to the base of a tree, blah blah blah. I've been here before, but I didn't have any luck then. So this dialogue needs some reworking, but there's literally a to-do list, or a to-do item there. So I can help. Oh wait, what do you mean exactly? No phones, okay. Who are the Surdy? Okay, so that means... And right now Riley has actually basically no role to play in this quest. Also, I should still... I like how you can zoom in without a gun. And I should make that happen even when you have a gun. Like, and you just put it away and you can zoom in. I've never seen you around here. I'm Jacqueline. Have you seen any ruins around here? Treasure? The ancient city left behind a stockpile of treasure in the ruins. People have been trying to get in for decades now. Where is it? If anybody knew where the entrance was, they'd have taken it and be long gone. All we know is somewhere in this town there's a door. If nobody knows where the door is, why do they believe it exists? He looks around. There's a tablet to unlock it. There are pieces scattered around the city. How many pieces have you all found? He shakes his head. We haven't all found them. If anyone found any, they'd keep it to themselves. A lot of people want that treasure. Why isn't there... Hang on. My question dialogue isn't working anymore. Like, he's supposed to actually, like, have... Where is it? TQ. Oh, I see. What evidence is there the tablet opens a door, let alone a mythical treasure? If the fragments are a secret, how do you know so much about them? Okay. Now that I think about it, so I just misunderstood the flag there. But okay, rumor has it he's got one of the pieces in storage somewhere. Are you searching for it? Nope. Who all believes there's treasure? Practically everybody. There's a reason people... it's the reason people come here at all. Interesting. Thank you. I don't know why... Hang on. Oh, right. This is still not working correctly. This otherwise here should be true when this condition, so this should not be triggering when this is true. But I broke something. But I'm gonna deal with that later. But okay, so that guy has directed us. There is now several things. Riley's trying to find some local ruins, but the locals aren't being helpful. There's allegedly ancient Sirti treasure in the ruins around here. This man probably has one of the tablet fragments, but he's protective of it. He also has a gun. The curio shop in town allegedly has one of the tablet fragments in storage. Okay, so that should give the player enough stuff. Except for, like, this man, but that's gonna be, like, I'll just decide on his name soon. The Occult Me Traveler. This is an interesting shop. I've collected fun trinkets for many, many years. What brings you here? What do we have? Nothing interesting. So have you heard the rumors of treasure in the city? So what did you want to know? Oh, variables Q. Hang on. What? Oh wait, no, this is the shop. Did you want to know? Oh, right. We have to do treasure questions. Oh, I see. I have to do this because it's like a hokey system here. Well, actually, is there any place... I know. There we go. That was why I had that set up in the first place. I think. I think this. And then this here. Is there any place where... Okay, this is the one place where this is actually... There we go. So, why do people think there's treasure at all? Someone's looking for this treasure. Interesting. Thank you. Okay, so these are all broken. Oh, I just realized. These should be there. Because we have to... Okay. So that should fix that. Oh, wait. But the thing that we need to do is when we use a note. I had some more questions about the treasure in town. Oh, wait. Why is this not... Hang on. Oh, I see. Note tablet shop here. And then we should also have probably... just like... Stats... Tablet... Shop... And not global stat... Tablet... Piece... Shop. I heard rumors of the tablets. Go to give it up. Because what I'll just do is just here. Okay. Okay, hello, good friend. I'm going to talk more about the treasure. I heard rumors you have a piece of the tablet. So I'll just give it to you. You know, then he... If you know, then he must know. So Sableye. Okay. So now we have our first piece of this thing. We have the shop tablet piece. This is what it'll look like in the final version of the game as well. And now that we have that, let's go to old Sableye. Let's make some new things, because right now the only way to get the tablet piece from Sableye is to point a gun at him and rob him for it. So, oh wait, why are these? Oh, I see. I thought these were like line wrapping weirdly, but it's just these are all doing crazy stuff. But okay. We're gonna do item, tablet, piece, shop, and item, tablet, piece, NPC 1. And this is gonna be a very dumb one. Because I thought of this earlier, like yesterday, where basically you offer to trade your piece for his piece, which it's a completely zero-sum game. It's idiotic. There's no reason that that would ever benefit either of you. Like, you just wind up in the same scenario you were before. Also, hang on. Let's fix this real fast. Dialogue scripts. There we go. Because basically, I wanted to make it so that it doesn't highlight, like if there's extra text here, it should not highlight as a keyword plus some other text. And also, that should hopefully mean that, like, if this... No, okay. These no longer match properly, but that's okay. For now. I'll just have to do something different with that. I don't like how it doesn't work. Now, you know what? Okay. I can't fiddle with that forever. Let's just leave it as it is. So tablet piece shop, Sableye. I've come to offer a trade. So my tablet piece for yours. Okay, so we have to figure out an actual way to do this. So we want into the ruins. Let's start from there. So like if global is follower Riley, we just want into the ruins. About we help you. We can help you open the door and help, or how about we help you open that door? And you get whatever else is inside. Okay. We just went into the ruins to find a capacitor. How about we help you open the door and you get whatever else is inside? Give me the pieces and I'll get you to the door. He's gonna be lying, by the way. He's gonna just go without you. What if we did... Okay. So what do you want for us? So we just want... Let's say... I'm about to sneeze again. Okay. I'm back. So let's say... This would be interesting. So... We're gonna do tablets, piece. Oh, we need to figure out which one we did. Let's do like mention. this, and then we're gonna do mention shop piece. So this will just be global remove item shop global item gem. So tab piece NPC1. And let's actually have like purchase as a thing that we can do. So like plus stat sable purchase. And then we'll do this. So like stats And then otherwise, and then for here, let's do like so if we have global stats purchase, yes, else 1,000 gems. Okay, so this should, oh wait, no, not a dollar sign, this. Oh wait, now this doesn't work like it should. Oh well. Yeah, it seems like I broke it. Oh well. Admittedly, now that I've gone so far with this syntax highlighting, I kind of think maybe I should have pulled back on it. Maybe it needs to be more understated, but oh well. So if we have already said this, then yes. So you want another 1,000 gems. So that'll be that. So basically there'll be 3 ways that you can do this, which are, let's do like global stat sable equals 2. He has all 3, or his incomplete tablet. And inserts the new piece. Okay. Well, I'll be. That was the last one. Okay, so eventually, like, so to do here, Sable leaves, you have some sort of quest to follow him. Because, well, actually, yeah, let's do like a, go to, or like enter, leaving. So I think I'm just gonna put this one here, just for the silliness of it. Okay, so we just want to went into the rooms to find a capacitor. How about we help you open the door and you get whatever else is inside? Give me the pieces you have. So you can just straight up get 1,000 gems, or like 2,000 gems for doing it this way. I gotta figure out if there should be any benefit to doing it the other way, because this will like completely throw off the game's balance. Let's make it a bit more reasonable. So if stats Sable purchase, then yes. Go to purchase. Otherwise, stats. Wait, otherwise. So this will eventually have to be done better, but so I can do 250. Wait, no, this should be enter, I think. That's good enough. And about 500. A 1,000 was my final offer. And you're not getting a thing. Okay. And then enter purchase. Okay. Because then we'll just have all of this stuff here as a purchase. And then, so that way the economy isn't completely thrown off. Hmm. Okay, so now he'll give you 250 bucks for each of them. In fact, let's do a note here, maybe. Oh, hang on. Why does Discord always send noises? Like, it's not even for, like, it's not even people mentioning me in anything or, like, saying things to me. It's just, like, somebody wrote something somewhere. I don't even know what it is. Okay, I'm just going to close Discord. Eventually, I just need to permanently disable all notifications. Like, I thought I actually disabled audio notifications from Discord. Drives me crazy. Modern applications hate users exercising control over the software. Okay. Why aren't these brackets, like, matched? Like, these brackets are matched, but these ones aren't. What the heck's that about? Ah, well. Another thing that I could think about, but I don't really want to. Okay, how about we give us the pieces, so this... How about I just make the thing work with the other parts for now? Well, I know. To do, implement this. Because right now what I'm going to actually implement is Sable leaves. And you have some sort of quest to follow him. Okay. Oh, video game was still running. In fact, my poor character has started sleeping to death. Oh, wait, hang on. What time did it say? Ugh. No, it's 12 a.m. And also, why is it only updating? Oh, I know why it's only updating by every 5 seconds. It's because, yeah. So we need something different for that. Hang on. Let's check my. I'll just put it in bugs. I have so much scrap. Okay, bugs. Time should update faster. What was the other thing that I said that I wanted to fix or change? Oh, right, 12:30 p.m. Because there's still the clocks are just broken in general, where it says like the sleep dialogue is also broken. But I want to figure out the other stuff first, so let's sleep instead. Okay, so we should probably save and quit. And honestly, I've said it before, I should probably just remove the there's flags that you can place down, or I should buff them, so that way they serve as reusable checkpoints. That'd make more sense. So we need to use the tablet piece. Found something that might interest you. What do you want for it? So we just went into the ruins to find a capacitor. How about we help you open the door and you get whatever else is inside? Or maybe you get first dibs or whatever it be. It's a good deal. Give me the pieces you've got and I'll get you to the door. How about you give us the pieces and we'll get to the door? And we'll go to the door. Let's do global count. Tablet piece shop. Count tablets. Piece NPC1. Then we'll do global remove item. I mean, admittedly, you can't actually get the first NPC's tablet piece currently without Sable Eyes. I mean, I guess I can just make it so that you can do something else to get it. But okay, so have them... then let's do, like, plus stat Sable gift. And then let's actually do a different thing where we check enter, check, say, or like check tablet. Oh wait, no, check Sable tablet. Because this will be here. So if global stat that plus global stat Sable slash gift. If that equals 2, then we do the other thing. So this way, you can either give it to him as a gift, or you can just make him pay for it. And actually, let's just have, so if stat Sable gifts, another tablet. We might actually need to do something more complicated. I have an idea. Okay. So let's get this here. So you want another 250? Yes. Or I want 1,000 this time. Hmm. So that treasure is going to be worth a lot more than 1,000 gems. Hmm. Alright, we should do... Yeah, I guess all of this should be there. Yeah, that's fine. Hmm. So another tablet piece for me. And then let's say yes. Alright, let's do stat sable. Oh wait, no, this makes sense. Okay, go to gift. So gift will be here. Or no, it should be entered. Okay. Hmm. Alright. This one... So this one is more just a weird, like, optional thing, I guess. I think I deserve payment. Actually. Hmm. Alright. So we'll do this here. So mentioned shot piece, remove item, blah blah. So this one will be 500. Oh wait, no. When this happens, it's guaranteed that this should be, so we should go enter, check, sable, tablet. There we go. Hmm. Okay. So you want another 250? Yes. Enter purchase. So I'm on 1,000. Go to hell. The idea is, or the deal is 250. So the treasure is going to be worth a lot more than 1,000 gems. The most I'll do is 500. Actually, okay. And, well, let's just do, like... Enter big purchase, so go to... And what I'm thinking is maybe my next project, because I have so many ideas for things that I want to do, like reworking my website, making a text editor, continuing algo stuff. Maybe I'll continue, like, I'll make a version of this I can run in the browser. Because that could be fun. And I could think more on, like, how it's going to work. Yeah, I'll do that, I think. That'll be one of my little side projects. But okay. For now, though, that's irrelevant. So another piece, yes. So I think I deserve payment. What exactly do you have in mind? I think you should give us, me, the tablet piece. We can ruins together. So this one is going to be interesting. So basically, I want the big strat for the big money is to give one of them to him for free and then play hardball with 1,000. Oh wait, big purchase does not have... Oh no, it does have. Okay. Take your money, you vampire. What would you say? So let's say, let's also add that. So we're going to have these here, here, and here maybe. And maybe even Sable, or maybe here it should even be like double ripoff. Well, let's just have it be 2. In fact, I can just do... I think I can just do that. And if I can't, I can just add it. So let's go to dialogue, dialogue viewer. No, wait, no. UI, dialogue, dialogue viewer. No, add. Oh wait, no. It's just a thing around global ad stats, so that will work. Take your money, you vampire. Pleasure doing business. So yeah, if you do a ripoff here, he'll remember a double ripoff. And I think if you do this, he'll actually, like... What will he do, actually? Because he's the one who has the treasure now. Or he's the one who has the key for the treasure if you do this to him. Because I was thinking, like... We can also have Sable robbery here. So, like... Plus stat... Because, like, you caught him unaware with this one. Like, he didn't have the gun with him. Or his gun. Okay. So let's... Oh, wait, no. We don't need to do that. I think now I need some way of getting the NPC 1 to talk with us. So let's do like a note about this. Or actually... I'm thinking if maybe note should... Let's go to the dialogue viewer. Note. So function note. So it should do this, I think. So if allow duplicates and global stat. Why would I ever have allow duplicates? What I'm going to do is this. So if count equals int, so this will be count here. So if count equals 1 or allow duplicates. Well, why do we don't even need this. Well, I guess this is fine. Let's do that. So we don't even need to check this anymore. Okay. So what it does now is it gets the number of times we've added this stat. So if the count is less than or equal to 1, so it should be 1, actually, or we allow duplicates. We then add the note. Otherwise, we return false. So that way, I can just have sable/gift. So I can do this here as a... Oh, wait. So yeah. Note, sable/gift. I struck a deal with I to give him tablet pieces, and we'll find the ruins together. So Sableye, Mosquito, treasure. Yeah, that's fine. And then for this one, it'll be Sable purchase. Struck a deal with Sableye. So and I think so I don't think you can actually get 250. Yeah. The first time you make the deal, you can't get 250 gems. Or you can't get more than that. But you can get 1,000 if you give one to him for free, and then you suddenly put the screws on him. Or you can get 750 by giving him, you know, buying it, selling it for the most. Like, the greedy algorithm is slightly less efficient, and that's the point. Also, the music died. So where's that in here? I think I might need a new gimmick. This one's getting kinda old. But let's at least try it one more time. And after that, maybe I'll switch to, like, the freaking bugs that I did on my random game stream. Or just make some other fun little gizmo. So global stat, tablet Sableye. So another piece for me, yes. I think I deserve payment. I think you should give me the tablet pieces and we can go to the ruins together. So that's not the deal. See, and then otherwise, okay, it is now. And we'll leave it. We'll leave that there. Okay. So with this one, I want 1,000 this time. Okay, and then this part, we do that. So we just want into the ruins to find a capacitor. Okay. So now... That's there. What does Control E do? My Emacs brain rot has continued. I now use Control E and Control A quite a bit in Emacs, but you know, that's not everywhere. But oh well. So what do we want for it? We just went into the ruins to find a capacitor. Give me the pieces you got and I'll get you to the door. How about you give us the pieces and we'll go to the door? So I don't trust you. How do I know you wouldn't book it the second you get them? How do I know you wouldn't do the same? Let's just say... Okay. Let's just say that. Okay. So now we have multiple avenues. So the player can just give it to him for free. The player can just make him pay for them. Excuse me. And they can just rob him as well. But now eventually, but now we need to get a way for getting the third NPC. Because currently the way you get his stuff is by giving him or showing him Sableye tablet pieces and being like, I fucking held up Sableye at gunpoint. So like, give me your stuff because I'm crazy. But okay. Let's see if we can actually do something here. Use an item. This. I found something that might interest you. What do you want for it? So I think this should actually never be... Okay, so we actually need to make sure there's no go-tos here. Yeah. Because this is only completed when you... Well... Yeah, okay. Basically, it shouldn't be marked as a repeat, because if you have the item still, then you get new dialogue. How about you give us the pieces and we'll go to the door? Fair enough, have them. And then let's have... what should we have? And actually, this should be an exit here. Go to leaving otherwise. Well, let's say check disable tablet. And what we'll do is he puts it in a bag. Is bad. Okay. And eventually we should have like more dialogue for like when you're talking with him, but yeah, I'll get the gist of that soon. So let's have actually, so do I have in my journal? I struck a deal with Sableye. I'll give him tablet pieces and we'll go find the ruins together. Let's have that here. So we can note Sableye, but we can also do note Sableye / purchase and Sableye / gift. And this will be when not global stats. Oh wait, wrong guy. This guy. So let's do at note here, and then also at note Sableye / purchase, or no, Sableye / gift. And that'll be the same for these ones. These two are necessary for advancing the plot, and this one. And so this way there's a few different ways the player can do this. Okay, so not global stat, oh wait. So Sableye purchase is not global.stat. This should be NPC1 tablet piece. Oh, yeah, tablet piece NPC1. So not that, and not stats. Oh wait, and global stat 1 NPC1 / tablet. Okay, that's what it needs to be. Tablet slash NPC1. Basically, we know this guy has a tablet. Or we suspect he does. And we've made a deal with Sableye. And we haven't gotten the tablet piece from this guy yet. Let's say... So I made a deal with Sableye. Let's do like a note, or like stats. NPC1/Sable. Wait, hang on. Oh, now this only works if there's text appended to it, because the colon doesn't count as a word barrier, I guess. Oh well. So this will be like not stats. Have you heard of a man named Sableye? And this will be like plus stat NPC1/Sable. Wait, why do I have two of these? Yeah, that's confusing. Oh, I see. These, though, or this one, should be up here, above this generic, because this mosquito treasure, this is a catch-all. Okay, and that's fine there. So I got Sableye's treasure piece. Okay, so have you heard of a man named Sableye? Otherwise... Well, I made a deal with him. Or no, we're finding the ruins together. Technically, this isn't correct because the player can just, you know, because if the player sells them to him, there's no implication that he's going to let you come with him. But, you know, I think this will be fair. This is close enough. We're going to work together, or we're working together to find the ruins. That's going to backfire real quick. So that doesn't matter. What matters, you have a tablet piece. Hmm. Okay, so that's going to backfire real quick. So what makes you say that? Let's just say he's done a lot worse. You're in danger. Maybe the player should be able to rob this guy too. That could be interesting. Oh well. Okay, he's done a lot worse than go back on his word. So what matters is that you have a tablet piece. I don't think I am. So you can either give it to me. I know. What would you want in exchange? Or I'll take it. I don't know why Jackie's getting so into the this like Western desperado attitude, but I think it's funny. Maybe the player can get a cowboy hat from the shop, and then some of this dialogue is unlocked by wearing the cowboy hat. That actually sounds funnier than this. But okay, so that doesn't matter. So what do you want in exchange? In exchange for your piece. No, Sable Eye isn't going to share. He's not going to help you or whatever it is he told you. Do whatever he told you. So stat. So actually, if he has a Sable Eye purchase, is it Sable Eye / purchase or just Sable / purchase? Oh, it's just Sable. In fact, there. Truly, he already paid. Let's just have actually like do whatever he told you he would. how about you, or how about I let you have this tablet piece, and in exchange, what would in exchange be? Hmm. I'm trying to figure out how he would basically, like, I want it to be that he strikes a deal with you where once Sableye has found, or once Sableye gets the key, he's gonna just ditch you and go get to the entrance. But, well, one, I don't know if he knows where the entrance is. Oh yeah, because the entire thing was I was gonna use the light puzzle as well. Maybe I'll just not have that for the time being. You know, that adds just a bit too much complexity to this. I think Sable knows where the entrance is. And so, maybe, the deal will be, he gives you the tablet piece, and in exchange, you have to covertly drop off the tablet piece for him, and then watch him from afar as he actually gets to the entrance. And the entrance will be some tricky spot where the player wasn't going to go otherwise. Okay. I think that kind of makes sense, or maybe, Hmm. I know. And when it inevitably blows up in your face. So, how about this? I'll give you my tablet piece. When I'll track him down and find the ruins. Rumor has it he's the only person who knows how to get to the entrance. And that's very important. In fact, that's like vitally important. Oh wait, hang on. I don't care for all these spaces, but okay. You just asked for money? Okay. And when your deal with Sableye goes south, I'll track him down and find the ruins. Hmm. So you aren't willing to fight to the death over this. Hmm. Hmm. And let's just go back up to this then. Let's say Sable Feel. Okay. So all of these actually kind of just go to the same thing, but let's just do that. So it's just going to be in fact, we don't even need this. So look, girl, you're in a bad position. And then we can do back. So then let's just get the thing. In fact, we could theoretically do this even if we are pretending, or even if we've robbed him already. Or if we robbed Sableye, we could pretend that we're doing that. But okay. So if Okay. So I'll see you there. Don't say I didn't warn you. Alright, there we go. So that gets us our Sable deal. So admittedly, there's a bunch of side divergent things that are completely pointless now. But that's okay. Alright, we don't need to be up to him. Okay, he nods to you. Leaves a note. Struck a deal with Sableye. I'll give him tablet pieces and we'll go find the ruins together. So, have you heard of a man named Sableye? He nods. Well, I made a deal with him. We're working together to find the ruins. That's gonna backfire real quick. That doesn't matter. What matters is that you have a tablet piece. You're mistaken. I don't think I am. What would you want in exchange for your piece? Look, girl, you're in a bad position. Sableye isn't going to share or do whatever he told you he would. How about this? I will give you my tablet piece. And when your deal with Sableye goes south, I'll track him down and find the ruins. Rumor has it he's the only man who knows how to get to the entrance. If Sable tries anything, I'm more than capable of handling it. No, you aren't. Take these back to him and don't say I didn't warn you. Okay. So now we have our cool betrayal. And admittedly, so I think I need to get them a bit more outlandish. So these characters are going to eventually be, like, overtly Western, spaghetti Western themed. Where right now they're kind of just, as usual, kind of just plain Jane straight shooters. Well, you know, not in a funny way. In, like, I tend to just write these quests in a very straightforward, like, here are the logistics of the quest, here are the items you get to from one place to another. Some guy's tablet piece, I found something that might interest you. Another tablet piece for me? I think I deserve payment, actually. What exactly do you have in mind? 1,000 gems. Do you want the treasure or not? Okay, so now we need the ability to actually get, like, first off, we need to have him, like, go somewhere when that happens. And we should have the, what should we have? So now that we have that, oh yeah, we need to find a way to actually get to the entrance. So that should be our next thing. Okay, so I don't have anything yet. So now I don't have Jak with me. But okay. Next step. Quests, major quests, free tower, levels, hover scooter, Pass 2. So we need now Sable Eye leaves and goes to the entrance. The other guy follows. Huh. Wait, hang on. Let's replace double spaces with spaces. I'm back. Okay. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, get some water, stretch, and then I'll be back to do, I guess, hopefully effectively the conclusion of this. And then after that, later on, once I've done another, like, pass over all this stuff, we'll come back and we'll make it, like, amped up. Because I think most of the humor of this quest is just gonna come from really just making it like a ridiculous Western pastiche. But okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. So, yeah, let's just make the place. Eventually I'll figure out like a clever place for it, but for now... Well... I'm trying to think of how to best do this. I know. So we don't need this. For now, eventually the light will come into it. So we need a locked, or like a door. Where are those tablet doors? Let's see, so this... I guess this is fine. Does not have that. Let's have like a pretend door here. It's gonna be a square platform. This is gonna be brilliant. Position 3D. This will be ruins entrance. Let's have a square, no. Yeah, square platform will be here. So this is going to be our door. And then we'll just go up like that and then down. Then we'll have, I guess, a few other positions. Well, let's say like a sable spot. And basically there's going to be a showdown. Between these two. And we need, I guess, chunks. I guess this is fine. Or do I want entities one time? I guess this is, yeah, this is okay. So we'll have export node path var, So like white hats. Okay, export node path var. Export node path var showdown hats at spots and export node path var showdown white hats, no, black hat spot. Okay, so that's fine. And then function like what should this be? I think NPCs should have like a custom event here. So it should be like a do something. There we go. Can we put like types here? Like if I did that. No, okay. So on NPC stable, do something. Yeah. And then on, so let's say like if something equals leave. Global get player dot fade in. Function ready. Cert as node what at black hat showdown white hat showdown black hat, and then we'll do just okay. And so this will be something, no, leave. There we go. Pause as he leaves the room. And we'll do an emit signal from main speaker, emit signal, do leave. Admittedly, we don't really need... We could just do something. Well, I think it's better to have, like, a string associated with our signal. Okay, and this should also do... It should also add a stat. I know. Actually, an even better thing. Plus stat. Or we actually need these guys. Because we're going to have white hat dot custom entry equals showdown. Okay. And for now, that's going to be... Let's go to showdown. And then for Sableye... In fact, there should probably be... It should probably be a better... I have a good idea. This will switch to a different thing. It'll use our payphone tool. Or, what is it? Load dialogue? These other tabs. Dialogue. Viewer. So, load dialogue. Okay. Oh, wait, but we need to actually, hang on. Function swap to path. String. And load dialogue. Resource. Load F dialogue path modulo path starting label. Okay, const so this is dialogue slash percent s dot so now what we're gonna do, swap to main quest or major quest, I guess. Where's that? Major quests slash probably Riley Skeeto County slash showdown. Not all that much shorter with this, but oh well. So this way, talking to either of them will enter the same dialogue. So then we need that. Then how do we figure out how on earth are we gonna figure out where the actual like entrance is though? We'll have to find someone who can, like, point us in the direction. Maybe we can... Oh, right. I didn't actually do these yet. Just for my sanity. Okay. Also, I'm eating. Wait, but now... I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, I'll have to, let's see, use a note. Hang on. If global stat, Wait, we need stabilize / gone. And then we'll do, so the fade in. Okay, and then we'll do this for now. Disable / gone. Oh, I didn't actually have this. Let's do note. Note, sable, gone. Alright, let's shuffle this. We'll go to random music. I prefer this one. Okay. Sable, I held me at gunpoint and left. So let's abolish, No, let's do like a tablet. Or like something like this, maybe? No, that doesn't matter. I know. Sable / purchase. And Sable / gift. Okay. So now I think we need to start this over. Because we need to actually have him leave. And, like, apply the stats and all that. Okay. Teleport. 61. Riley still doesn't do anything in this, but I guess for now it's fine. So if we speed run this, okay, so now we need to use an item. So we'll need some sort of dialogue there. So like indicate so that the player knows that they're supposed to be asking like this guy over here again. Okay. He looks at you. I think I want payment again. Okay. And now we have a new cool world. So let's go up here. We need to see these dirty Dans. Not quite what I wanted. Ah, okay. Swap 2. So this can equal... equals nothing. Let's see if that works right away. I'm Dirty Dan. And I'm Dirty Dan. Okay. So now, we can get up to both of them. And then, soon we'll have more guys. So let's do that now, I guess. So for now, I'm just going to do the dialogue for the showdown where you have walked up to these guys. No, this is now going to be, it's Sable Eye and Dakota Smith Iron. That's his name now. Nah, that's a little bit too... Yeah, Dakota Smith is fine. Smith Iron's a bit too much. Because it also looks like... I think if someone could easily misread it as, like, Smitherin. And that's a little bit silly. Okay, it's Sable Eye and Dakota Smith. Say... Okay, and then let's say... So eventually I'll have some sort of, like, to do where, like, he enters the fray and then it's like, he'll be armed with a shotgun as well. I'm sick of this town being struck. Wait, let's do shopkeeper. So I'm sick. Oh, wait, why aren't these working? Oh, I see. I'll do it later. Basically, right now, it doesn't register with white space. So I'm not letting that treasure get into your greasy hands. Says the shopkeeper armed with a shotgun. So, who should come in now? I think maybe the shopkeeper's wife comes in. Godot. Wife comes in. She's mad about something. Else comes in. Player fade out. So it turns out quite a few people know what's happening, or quite a few people know where the... Or what should it be? To the entrance. Each with grievances. What should his name be? Oh wait, no. Let's do player fade in. So with all the commotion, more and more people start pouring into the entrance, each with grievances. So we'll fade out, and then we'll fade in, because this fade out's associated with this line. Okay, alright, who are you? I'm Pinky Steve. So let me guess, someone shot your pinky off, so you... Or what sort? So I'm here because... Let's do, like... Ah, there he is. So eventually there's gonna be like, yeah, like I said, 25 people, because they like get increasingly dumb grievances. So eventually I have to add more characters here to sort of make this a joke that is building up. So like there's a whole town of people who are all suspicious of each other. And then it finally all comes to a boil at the ruins with like a dozen people. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So I think we should just open the door now. Main speaker, emit signal. Hey, look at that. The do came in handy. So do open door. All right, so if global is follower Riley, what the hell does Riley call these guys again? Tower. Nah, she doesn't call him anything right now. Okay. It must be some kind of water reservoir. That's what the ancients left behind. Guess it's stagnant. Now. And then otherwise... Okay, let's do this. And then we'll do this. So this way, again, we can Okay. So should we just open the door now? I think half the town's already in here. Okay. So that'll let the player skim through a little bit more of this silliness. Yeah. Let's keep that. Let's remove that. Okay, should we just open the door now? So admittedly, it doesn't save that much dialogue, but it's fine. So if there is sank to the bottom. Let's have this. Okay. Let's just have Sable Eye again. Okay. And then this should be probably plus stat, Musk open door. Or I guess, go down over. In fact, actually, we don't even need this here. Because we can just do plus stat mosque door open. Okay. Here's what we're gonna have here. Let's put a door. I know. Animation player. Then door. And then we have a tracked stat. Yeah, mosque door open. And this will be our brilliant door for now. And we'll have so Sable gone and not global stats mosquito showdown over. Let's just see if this works. So we should have our cool showdown, and then we should have like 1 billion people. Well, we don't have any people showing up yet. But okay, we can talk to either of them. Sableye and Dakota Smith. So don't matter, Smith, there's nothing here for you. Like hell there ain't. I'm not letting that treasure get in your greasy hands. Let's see, I'm gonna put... Let's lower this volume slightly. Let's see. In... Okay, turn us to shopkeeper. Okay, with all the commotion, more and more people start pouring into the entrance, each with grievances. Oh. Fade in isn't a thing. Oh. Because there was no... Okay. I'm Pinky Steve. Let's do global get player fade in. Okay, let me guess. Someone shot your pinky off and now you're here for revenge? Nah, I was born without my pinky. Some kind of birth defect or what sort. I'm here because Giant Joel was looking at my wife. Right, where is Giant Joel? Ah, there he is. Sableye, could you make room for Pinky Steve next to you? Should we just open the door now? I think half the town's already here. Oh. The door opens here. You're all overwhelmed with a swampy smell. Oh, there's Riley. She's just hanging out back there. So if there is, it sank to the bottom. You know what? To hell with this. And then we get that. Wait, what? Yeah, I wanted to talk about the quest that we're in. Okay, hang on. How does this work? So, Mosquito County. So yeah, we have go to phase Mosquito County. Maybe we have like a within. Oh yeah, brain within. Okay. Okay, so let's do area. all sorts of wondrous things here. Look at that. And then a square shape. It's gonna go like that. And so eventually, I'll even make this quest like have dialogue with Riley. I guess that'll be like a project for tomorrow or today or whatever, whenever it is. Okay, let's just see if this works though. Okay, where's Riley? There she is. Oh, wait. Doesn't quite work yet because we need 2, 7. Found the capacitor. Okay. So now I should also have a similar thing for when the player enters it solo. So we're gonna have so main showdown. Okay, so this is gonna be underscore first, and then this is gonna be player first. So let's have like a dialogue zone in here. Visit area. No, we don't need any of that. Shape. Dialogue zone. So this will only collide with the player. So I think this is what we need. Dialogue trigger? Yeah. Okay, so main speaker will be, I guess, Sable, yeah. Friendly ID, Sable? Maybe? Custom entry will be, underscore Sable first, and it will not be enabled for now. But this will be showdown. And what we'll do here is, if global stats Sable gone, let's do if this isn't true, elif global.stats, we need the player to have the start tablet. Oh, we have that. Start player showdown. Oh wait, I guess just match something. Because now what I want is leave and appear to have the exact same consequences here. There we go. So function so let's do like I know, activate dialogue. Or player first. Otherwise, oh wait, no. Oh wait, yeah. I guess this is fine, actually. Because what I'm going to do is... I don't need this. We'll have this here. Disable first. Because we're going to have activate dialogue. Entry. String. And that's going to be dialogue zone dot enabled equals true. D dot custom. Let's just do that. Custom entry equals entry. There we go. Beautiful. Now we have the all of that. Let's see how this works. Oh, right. I need to do the dialogue differently now. Oh, wait. I also need to have this here. So player first. So main speaker signal. Wait, what the heck can this thing do, actually? Oh, this doesn't have any signals that it can do. I have a good idea. Oh wait, wrong thing. Oh wait, no. He already has this because it's still Sable. Like the dialogue zone does not. Yeah. Okay, so we don't need that because Sable is the one who's still talking. So emit signal do appear. Actually. And now that I've done that, I don't actually need him here. I need appear. And we should have we need the black hat. And we need global transform. And we need this. And then like you know what? And this will be here though. And we don't need this anymore, so we can just do... Oh wait, we don't need this. In fact, we barely need anything here, but... Ah, well. So start showdown, show black hat. Show white hat. In fact, we could just do place NPC node mark, or node hat mark spatial. Okay, so this is going to be white hat showdown white hat spot, showdown black hat spot. Okay, there we go. And this way, I can also have all of the other NPCs do a similar thing. But okay. Do appear. Okay, emit signal do Dakota appears. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, and this should be an underscore. Alrighty. So there's nothing here for you. Okay, so now we need to reset the game, and then we'll rob, the guy. And I think eventually I need to disable the logs for all that stuff. Okay. Report 61. Distressed looking woman. Sure, I can help. I think probably tomorrow I'll have to start working on actually making Riley a part of this story. Because I think you can do all of this quest without Riley here at all. Okay. Oh, wait, no. I forgot the entire point of this was that the deal I'm going to make is that I'm just going to get this pistol out, and you're going to give me that fucking tablet. So yeah, tablet now. And there we go. Okay, and then you are going to give me your tablet, stabilized tablet piece. So you can give me your piece, or I can take it the same as I took Sable's. No, I don't think that's going to work, because that dialogue is currently not functioning. To do something different. And then we'll just have this here as that. And then when we get up here, Sable Eye should come and point a gun at us. And then the other guy comes, and then all the chaos ensues. Oh, didn't work. Why did it not work? Did this thing... I mean, it has on body entered. Oh, because we don't have a signal for this. Right. So we should actually probably just have this... I won't do that. I'll do... let's get the player, actually. Or... else... Oh, no. Connect, changed, self, on, stat, changed. So function, stat, changed, stats, value. So if stats equals star tablet, or actually let's do if global stat mosquito showdown over return. Okay, so this might work still. In fact, I don't think we need this anymore, even. Oh, wait, no. I think we do. Yeah, because that's going to be ready first. And I should probably also have something for, like, when the player does it themselves, so Damn. Hang on. Global add stats star tablet. So that should be the case there. Why did that not work? Hang on. Why is that? Oh, I see. Because there. Hang on. I have a good idea. What if I use my God-given inventory here? So I have a star tablet. So why did global stats not show it? Because we should have had... Oh, I put start tablet. Okay, so we should have that. So this should be here. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no. This is true. Yeah, if Sable's gone, we do that. Otherwise, we do this. I mean, technically, these should be, like, mutually exclusive conditions, like... where if versus elif doesn't matter, but... oh well. Okay. Alright, so that did do something, right? Like, if we go to the dialogue zone... hopefully that works. So what does enabled do? So enabled, set, get, set, enabled. Okay. So it should definitely be enabled. Maybe it's just dialogue triggers no longer work? No. Okay, yeah. I guess I just didn't set that properly. So where do you think you're going, huh? It's Sable Eye. What the hell made you think you'd get here without me finding you, huh? You must do the same thing. Okay. You can both stuff it. Okay. That's all great. Okay, and then we take it. Oh, and then we need to have the, hang on. Let's do... ruins entrance slash dialogue zone dot disable or deactivate. That's slightly less typing. Okay. So once the stat is actually enabled, we'll disable that. And we should probably set all of the NPCs to have a different stat, I guess. I know what to do. Well, eventually they're just going to be out of here, so I don't need to bother with that. Okay. So we also need, so for the showdown, when you try to exit, so global, so stats, moss Showdown over. Okay. Well, actually, I have a good idea. Back. So. And eventually they will not be floating in the air. But that's another thing that's not very important, actually. But yeah, now I have sort of a messy system where I have the stat changes and also those signal changes. Wait, where the hell's Riley? Did I already talk to her? Oh wait, no, I didn't even say anything to her. I just did the quest without her, I guess. Oh, wait. No, I already did it. I guess? Do I have the... Oh, right. But then we should complete the task for the mosquito treasure. Can't we do something with the, hang on. Let's go to global. Complete task. Okay, we have a note there. Okay. So then we can just, I'll just, for now, global complete task. What's this called? Mosquito treasure. Okay. Because now we have that. Found all 3 pieces of the blah, man named Sableye. Okay. And you know what? He should probably point a gun at you if you ripped him off. Ah, well. Okay, so that gives us some stuff. I'm tempted to do some bug fixing, but I kind of want to quit while I'm ahead, rather than subjecting myself to that. So I think what I'll do is just call it there. Some nice progress today. Because now it actually, like, has more of the idea. Like, it's... Now this quest also has all of the main elements, just, you know, not the actual things that it needs. So we have the entrance. We have the ruins allegedly in the showdown. Like, in the past 2 mode, I guess. Everybody realizes it's a bunch of static water. Leaves and goes to the entrance, the other guy follows. So, like, in core... Rake Riley. Make an actual place. Or make some ruins, I guess. put some more NPCs. Okay. So those will be the next things to do with that. Okay. That gives me a beautiful thing to work with. Oh, wrong button. Okay, so I guess I'll call that it for today. Let's see, I'll be back on Sunday with a bit more of this stuff, but well, actually, I guess it'll probably be mostly this stuff still. This quest is becoming one of the more complicated ones of Riley's, like, mini quests. Oh, wait. No, what I should do... So this quest, I think, is good enough for now. On Sunday, I'll do this pass over the hidden lab. That was the one. Because that one is also one that is now not really finished and doesn't have any detail to it, so I'll give it this treatment. That'll be good. Okay. See you later.